Caulk saver caps and nozzle replacements are widely available online, and buying smartly can cut waste and mess for do-it-yourselfers. Start by choosing caps that match your caulk tube size and tip diameter, measuring the outer thread and inner nozzle opening with a ruler if the product listing does not specify. Prioritize silicone or food-grade plastic caps for chemical resistance and flexibility, and look for products sold in packs of at least 10 to lower the price per unit. For nozzle replacements, select kits that include multiple taper sizes so you can create the bead width you need without throwing away partially used tubes. If you buy bulk packs on major e-commerce sites, compute the unit price by dividing the total cost by the number of pieces and account for any shipping fees, so you know the true per cap cost. Tubanu and similar reusable dispensers are available online and are useful because they clamp onto the tube plunger to maintain pressure when storing half-used cartridges. Check reviews for longevity and compatibility with common professional tube diameters. Finally, when selecting a seller, favor listings with clear return policies and detailed size charts so you can swap items that do not fit. Common problems include buying the wrong size, which leads to leaks and wasted material, so always verify dimensions and keep a spare cap set from the same brand. Another issue is brittle caps that crack in cold weather, so choose silicone or flexible polymer designs when you expect temperature swings. A third concern is paying too much per piece when only a few are needed, so compare unit prices across multi-pack options and consider small starter packs for occasional use. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and list shopping tips and product discussions that relate to caulking supplies. We host an active discussion community so users and contractors can share real-world experiences, ask questions, and find practical buying and sourcing advice.